Hey there! In today's fast-paced world, we're always looking for ways to boost our productivity, right? Especially when it comes to those repetitive tasks that just eat up our time. Get ready, because there's a game changer on the horizon that's about to redefine how we think about automation. Introducing Warmwind, an incredible new AI operating system designed to act as your very own cloud employees. Imagine having a team that works for you 24/7 without ever needing a coffee break. That's exactly what warmwind offers. It's built for everyday users. No technical or coding background needed at all. It even uses its own vision model, seeing software just like a human would. That means no more complex APIs, you can set it up easily. It truly acts like a human user, clicking, typing, and navigating interfaces for you. What exactly can warmwind do? Let's begin with the AI operating system. Unlike traditional operating systems, warmwind is built with AI embedded at its foundation rather than just having AI features added on top. This means it's designed from the ground up. It's a full-stack cloud-based OS that provides the environment for its virtual agents to operate. UI-based control. Warmwind's AI agents interact with software directly through graphical interfaces like a human using a mouse and keyboard. This is powered by its own vision model, which allows it to see and interpret software just like a human would, meaning you'll be able to see exactly what the AI is doing and thinking without the need to look at complicated code or ones and zeros, making setup incredibly easy. Cloud-native infrastructure. Warmwind operates entirely from the cloud, meaning there's no local installation required on your computer, and Warmwind can run in your browser, so all the execution of tasks happen remotely. This also allows it to easily scale from a single AI agent to tens of thousands of them, all managed centrally from the cloud. This means you can set up your cloud employees and they continue working even when you're offline. Setup and teaching mode. Once Warmwind is open in your browser, it will prompt you to install applications. An example would be Outlook. And once it is installed, you will notice that the application will appear at the top of the screen for quick access. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a text bar which will allow you to enter in your own prompts and tell the AI exactly what to do. In this example, the user is prompting the AI to open any incoming emails and to send them to the corresponding departments. As you can see, the AI then automatically opens Outlook and does the job for you. Now we head over to teaching mode. If you head over to the text bar at the bottom and hover to the right, you will see an option which says Teach. Once selected, the AI is then going to listen to you speak and will take note of your actions and mouse clicks on screen. In this example, the user is prompting the AI to open a web browser and tell it to search up the weather in Berlin. The user then tells the AI to always go to his favorite forecast site and take notes of the weather today and tomorrow and send it to his email. Now we move on to the use cases. In this example, the user prompts the AI to respond to every new customer email regarding an order and assist with any issues or questions. The blue cursor that is visible on the screen shows that the AI is currently working. So an email appears and Warmwind AI immediately opens Shopify and looks for the specific order to try and solve the user's problem or answer their query. Once the AI has found some information, the AI will then go back to the email sent by the customer and send a detailed response based on the order information. In the next example, the user prompts the AI to open a spreadsheet and to do a report based on what it is about to do, which is to open LinkedIn and use Warmwind in the search term to look for possible candidates who might want to possibly work with the company. The blue cursor indicates that the AI is creating a basic template that is going to be used. Afterwards, the AI then opens the LinkedIn application and looks for possible candidates. Once the candidates have been selected, the AI then sends a custom invitation note to the person. Warmwind will then go back to the spreadsheet and enter in the specific details of the candidate. In the next use case example, an old German software which handles rental apartments is shown and clearly displays how Warmwind AI can automate tasks, especially in these outdated and clunky software applications, without needing to spend hours trying to navigate and use the software. Whether you're dealing with desktop applications or cloud-based software, Warmwind seamlessly works across them all. And here's a massive plus. It runs continuously in the background. You can set up your cloud employees and go offline. They work for you. Plus, it easily scales from 1 to thousands of AI agents, all managed from the cloud. Think about use cases like data entry, back office tasks, or even multi-step processes. Warmwind handles it. You can set up your workflow so easily. It's truly useful for everyone, from small businesses to large enterprise-level operations teams. Now, here's the exciting part. Warmwind officially launches on July 3rd. You absolutely do not want to miss out on this. To be among the first to experience the power of Warmwind, you need to join the waitlist right now. Head over to warmwind.space. With a bit of luck, you'll get the chance to use it and transform your daily tasks. And while you're there, be sure to check out Warmwind's official launch video on their YouTube channel. It shows even more amazing use cases. You can find the link in the description below.